Hi viewers, you are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub.
The word journal has been derived from French word jour. Jour means day, so journal means daily. It is defined as the first book in which all financial transactions are recorded, chronologically together with its short description is called journal. The journal is also called the book of original entry. Now we draw the format of the journal. The journal has 5 columns. First column date. The date of transaction is written in this column in 2 lines. In the first line, the year, and the second line, the name of the month, and thereafter the actual date. The second column is particulars or details. In this column the names of 2 connected accounts are written, in 2 consecutive lines. In the first line the name of account debited, and in the second line the name of account credited. The name of the account credited is commenced, a short distance away from the margin line. This arrangement will show clearly which account is debited and which is credited. Narration is usually written within a bracket. The third column is the ledger folio. The page numbers of the ledger, where the 2 concerned accounts have been posted, are written in this column against the name of each account. The fourth column is the amount of debit. The debit amount is written in the first amount column, against the name of the account debited. The last column is the amount of credit. The credit amount is the second amount column, against the name of account credited. How to record a transaction in a journal. Suppose the transaction is 2024, January 5, purchased furniture for cash $500. Before recording, first we analyze this transaction. In this transaction 2 accounts are involved: furniture account and cash account. Furniture account nature is an asset and increase in business. When an asset increases, an account is to be debited. Cash account nature is also asset and decrease in business. Account is to be credited. Now furniture account is debit with the amount of $500. Cash account is credited with the same amount. Being furniture purchased for cash. Recording a transaction in a journal is called journal entry or journalizing. An entry in which one account is debited and another account is credited is called simple entry. An entry in which more than one account is debited or more than one account is credited is called compound entry.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.